Jeep India is on a product offensive, and after the launch of the Compass, Wrangler and the Meridian, it is bringing its fourth product for the year. This is the Grand Cherokee, launched at a price of 77,50,000 rupees. This car will be locally assembled and will rival the likes of the Audi Q7, Mercedes-Benz GLE and the Land Rover Discovery. Now, before we tell you more about the car, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you are always notified with Car and Bikes work. The Grand Cherokee moniker is now in its 5th generation, and although this is based on a completely new architecture, the design has hints of the previous cars as well as some hints from its elder siblings. It is boxy, it has an upright stance, and in this color it looks gorgeous. Of course, there are more colors in offer as well, but this one specific color looks absolutely stunning. At the front you get that signature slate grills at the front, and then obviously at the back you also get those sleeker looking tail lamps. These are all obviously LED lit. The car will be available in a single fully loaded limited trim, and of course we will tell you more about it. We will be driving the car very soon, and that's when we will get a more detailed version of how the exterior looks. Next part is the interior. The cabin of the Grand Cherokee is one of the nicest places to be in. There are 4 large screens, there's an HUD, there's obviously the instrument panel for the driver, there's a center console as well as a screen for the co-passenger. Apart from that, you get wireless charging, you get 8-way adjustable seat for both the front passengers, you also get ventilation features for both the front passengers, and you get a large panoramic sunroof. Now, as we said at the start of the video, this car is based on a completely new architecture, and also when you look at the global product portfolio, the car is available in a longer wheelbase version as well. So there are 2 long wheelbase versions of the Grand Cherokee, but the one that India gets is the one that is slightly below the 5-meter wheelbase. So this is still pretty long, it's well loaded, there's ample amount of space on the inside for all the passengers. But the most important highlight of the car is its ADAS functionality. There are a number of ADAS functionalities that the car gets, and we will obviously talk in detail about the car when we get to drive it. But talking about that ADAS functionality, this is the first Jeep car to get ADAS features and also the first car in the segment to get ADAS functionalities. And talking about safety, there are 8 airbags as standard on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And last but not the least is the engine. Now globally, Grand Cherokee comes in a slew of engine options, but for India we get the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that belts out 269 brake horsepower and about 400 Newton meters of peak torque, and this engine is coupled to a 8-speed automatic transmission. We will soon drive the car and bring you a detailed review of how it performs, how are the features, how does it look, and what do you feel when you're inside the car. Now that was our first look of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. What do you think of it? Do tell us in the comment section below, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share.